Hello friends. Hope you're doing well. Today we will take a step closer to master our English speaking skills. Let us begin today's practice by repeating the inspirational story of a young boy named Rohan. Here begins the story of Rohan. Rohan was a young boy who lived in a small village surrounded by mountains. He had always been fascinated by the mountains and dreamed of climbing to the top one day. However, the villagers would often discourage him, telling him that it was impossible for someone like him to climb the mountains. Despite the negative comments, Rohan didn't give up. He had a strong mindset and was determined to achieve his goal. He started training every day, building his strength and endurance. He would wake up early in the morning and run up the hills, pushing himself to his limits. As the days turned into weeks, Rohan noticed a significant change in his body. He was stronger and more agile, and his lungs were capable of taking in more oxygen. He knew he was getting closer to his goal. One day, Rohan decided it was time to attempt to climb the mountain. He packed his bag, said goodbye to his family, and set off early in the morning. The climb was tough, and Rohan had to push himself to his limits. There were times when he felt like giving up, but he didn't let his mindset waver. Finally, after hours of climbing, Rohan reached the top of the mountain. He was exhausted but exhilarated by his achievement. He looked out at the breathtaking view and felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. Rohan's achievement inspired the villagers, and soon many of them were attempting to climb the mountain. Rohan had proven that with determination and a strong mindset, anything was possible. From that day on, Rohan was known as the boy who conquered the mountain. He continued to climb and explore the mountains, always pushing himself to new heights. And he never forgot the lesson he learned on that first climb, that with a strong mindset, anything is possible. Thus, we learn the importance of having a strong mindset. It shows us that with determination and perseverance, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our goals. It also reminds us that our mindset is what sets us apart from others and allows us to achieve greatness.